Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to generate captions in CapCut. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing is import your video in CapCut by tapping on this media icon, and then tap on the import and import your video. After importing, tap on video and drag this to the editing section like me, and drop here. Now you will see different options on the left top like media, audio, text. From here, tap on this option text. And here you will see the option on the first number, auto caption. Tap on this one and select your source language. Like my video is in English language, so that's why I am tapping on this. And selecting my language, once you've done everything, you will see the option create caption. So the processing has been start. Now the captions are created. And if I zoom in and start the video, so you see from here the caption has been created. Now arrange it by tapping on it. After arranging wherever you want, simply export the video by tapping on this export icon, which is at the right top. So by using this method, you can create captions using CapCut